Welcome to Mindfulness Flow, day 299 of the 365 Days Meditation Challenge. Today's meditation is called Golden Healing, a moment to let light touch the places within you that need warmth and renewal. Let's begin by taking a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Imagine a soft golden light glowing in your chest. With each inhale, it grows brighter. And with each exhale, it expands gently through your whole body. Let this golden warmth move to every place that feels tired, heavy, or tense. You don't have to fix anything. Just allow the light to soothe and restore you. Now, say to yourself, I welcome healing. Light fills me with peace. And I am whole, warm, and renewed. Breathe slowly and let that golden calm surround you completely. When you're ready, gently bring yourself back to the present and carry this healing light with you throughout your day. Thank you for joining me on Mindfulness Flow. I'll see you tomorrow for another day of inner peace.